Welcome to Hobbies Creators. Myself, I am Kirti, teaching you Maths. So, today in this video, we are going to concentrate on Class 7, Chapter 1, Integers, Introduction Part 3. Okay, so now we can move on to the video. First, we can see multiplication of positive and negative integers. So, we have to multiply a positive and a negative integer. So, see here, a multiplied by minus b. That is, if we multiply a positive and a negative integer, or else if we multiply a negative integer and a positive integer, we have to write our format as minus of a into b. Okay, so a into minus b, which is equal to minus a into minus b, which is equal to minus of a into b. So we can just see this by an example. See here, example 3 into minus 5. So a here is 3 and b here is minus 5. Okay, so now we can just do by this method. Okay, so see, a is 3, b is minus 5. So what I told, we have to write in the form of minus of a into b. So minus of a into b. I am just taking the minus sign out. So while writing inside in the bracket, I am not inserting any minus sign. Okay, so minus of 3 into 5. 3 5s has nothing but 15. So minus 15. I hope you understand this. Now we can move on to next one. Multiplication of two negative integers. So if we multiply a two negative integer, we will get a positive integer. We have seen in the first introduction video, right? So the same way here, minus a into minus b, which gives you a positive value, that is a into b. So see here, for example, minus 3 into minus 5, which gives you 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. We get a positive number. I hope you understand this. Now we can move on to division of a positive and the negative integers. So see the format here, the same format, but instead of multiplication I wrote only division. Okay, so a divided by minus b, which is equal to minus a divided by minus b, which is equal to minus of a divided by b. But see the condition here. Here the condition b should not be equal to 0. Okay, so now we can see this by an example. See, 4 divided by minus 2, or else minus 4 divided by 2. Anything you can just keep it. Okay, I am just taking the minus commonly outside. So 4 divided by 2 is nothing but 2. Minus of 4 divided by 2, right? So minus 2. I hope you understand this. Next, division of two negative integers. See, minus a divided by minus b, we get a positive, right? Divided by two negative integer, we get a positive integer. So a divided by b, but the case b here is not equal to 0. So see here, minus 4 divided by minus 2, we get 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is nothing but 2 here. I hope you understand this. Now we can move on to properties of integers. So see here, in the part 2 introduction video, we saw properties of addition and subtraction. In this video, we are concentrating on properties of multiplication and division. So see, first property, closure under multiplication is nothing but a multiplied by b. So closure under addition means a plus b. Closure under subtraction means a minus b. Closure under multiplication means a into b. Okay, so we can just do the sum by an example. A here is 15, b here is minus 3, a into b. So 15 into minus 3. 15 3s are nothing but 45. See, plus into minus is nothing but minus. So minus 45. Now we can move on to closure under division. So closure under division is nothing but a divided by b. So see here, I am just doing by an example here. A is 8 and b is 4. So 8 divided by 4, which gives you 2. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now we can move on to commutative of multiplication. So in addition and subtraction we saw commutative of addition and subtraction, but now in this video we are going to concentrate on commutative of multiplication and division. So see here, commutative of multiplication, a multiplied by b, which is equal to b multiplied by a. So we can see by an example, a here is 3 and b here is minus 2. So first we can do left hand side. Okay, a multiplied by b. So 3 multiplied by minus 2, which gives you minus 6. Then right hand side, b multiplied by a. So b minus 2 multiplied by a, 3. So through 2 3s are, which is equal to 6. See, both are equal. So commutative of multiplication is satisfied. Okay, Now we can move on to commutative of division, which is nothing but a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a. So we can just see by an example here. A here is 8 and b here is 4. We can do left hand side first, okay. So a divided by b, 8 divided by 4 is nothing but 2. b divided by a, 4 divided by 8 is nothing but 0.5, okay. So do we get same answer here? No, we don't get same answer. So it is not possible. So commutative of division is not possible. So we can say that multiplication is commutative for integers, but division is not commutative for integers. I hope you understand. So now we can move on to multiplication by 0. You know, right? If we multiply any number with 0, we will get the same 0 as the answer. But in addition, if we add or subtract any number by 0, we will get a positive number while adding, but while subtracting, if we subtract 0 minus something, then we will get negative integer, okay. But in multiplication and division, we will get answer as 0. So we can understand this by an example. A here is 15. First I am doing left hand side. A multiplied by 0. So a multiplied by 0 is 15. Then a multiplied by 0, which is equal to 15 into 0, gives you 0. Now we can do 0 multiplied by a. So 0 multiplied by a. So 0 into 15, which gives you 0. So we got the answer 0 here. So it is possible. Multiplication by 0 is possible. So both are equal. Now we can see division by 0. See, division by 0 is not possible. See here, a divided by 0, which is equal to 0, which is equal to 0 divided by a. So see, first a divided by 0. A here is 15. 15 divided by 0 is 0. But see, 0 divided by a, that is 0 divided by 15 is not defined. So it is not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So both are not equal. So we can say that multiplication by 0 is possible for integers, but 0 by division is not possible for integers, okay. I hope you understand. Move on to multiplicative identity. So see here, in the previous video introduction part 2, we saw additive identity, that is 0 is the additive identity for an integer, but here 1 is the multiplicative identity for integer. So see, we can move on now. A multiplied by 1, which is equal to a, which is equal to 1 multiplied by a. So we can see by an example here. A here is 15. So first we can do a multiplied by 1. 15 multiplied by 1 is nothing but 15. So now 1 multiplied by a. So 1 multiplied by 15 also is nothing but 15. So see, both are equal. So what is this 15? It is nothing but a. A is equal to 15. So 15 is equal to a. So we got the answer, which is in the form. So both are equal. LHS equal to RHS. But in division, it is not possible, okay. In division, see, a divided by 1 equals to a, but it is not equal to 1 divided by a, okay. See, a is, I am taking as 15. First I will do a divided by 1. So 15 divided by 1 is equal to 15, but 1 divided by a, that is 1 divided by 15, I get 0.667. It is not equal, right? Here we don't get a samely. So both are not equal. In division it is not possible, okay. Now we can move on to associative for multiplication. So see the form here. A multiplied by b, that is inside the bracket a multiplied by b multiplied by c, which is equal to a multiplied by inside bracket b multiplied by c, okay. So we can understand this by an example. Here I am taking a as minus 3, b as minus 2 and c is equal to 5. So first I am doing left hand side, that is a multiplied by b multiplied by c. So a here is minus 3. Multiplied by b here is minus 2, okay. First I am just putting that inside one bracket and multiplied by c. C is nothing but 5. So first we can do inside bracket. 3 2s is nothing but 6. So I am just writing 6 here. Negative integer into negative integer is a positive integer. So plus 6 multiplied by 5, which gives you 30. So LHS we got as 30. Now we can check RHS. So a multiplied by bracket of b multiplied by c, which is equal to a is minus 3 multiplied by bracket of b is minus 2 and c is 5. So first I am doing inside bracket. 5 2s are is 10. Plus into minus, see, positive integer, negative integer is negative integer. So minus 3 multiplied by minus 10. See, 3 10s are 30. Minus into minus here is plus. So see here, LHS is 30, RHS also is 30. So both are equal. So associative is satisfied for multiplication. Now we can move on to distributive property over addition. So see the form here. A multiplied by B plus C, which is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. So how I am getting this side? It is nothing but I am just multiplying this A inside the bracket. Okay. So A into B plus A into C. So we can understand this by an example. See here, A is minus 2, B is 3, C is 5. So we can just first do LHS. Okay. So A multiplied by B plus C. So A here is minus 2 and B is 3, C is 5. Okay. So minus 2 into 3 plus 5. So minus 2 into 8. 8 2s are 16. So minus 16. LHS is minus 16. Now we can do RHS, that is A into B plus A into C. See, minus 2 into 3. That is I am just replacing A and B by a number, by the given number. Okay. Plus A into C. That is minus 2 into 5. So 3 2s are minus 6. 5 2s are minus 10. So see, plus into minus is nothing but minus. So minus 6 minus 10, which gives you minus 16. Okay. So LHS equal to RHS. See here also minus 16 and here also minus 16. So both are equal. So distributive property is satisfied over addition. Now we can move on to distributive property over subtraction. So see here, in addition just we saw plus symbol, but in subtraction we are just changing the symbol plus as minus. Okay. We can understand this by an example. Minus 2, 3 and 5. So A, B, C are given. So see, A multiplied by B minus C equals to minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2, right? So minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, which gives you 4. Now we can do right hand side. A multiplied by B minus of A multiplied by C. So minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus of minus 2 multiplied by C. So see here, 3 2s are is minus 6 minus of 5 2s are is minus 10. Okay. So see, minus into minus is nothing but plus. So minus 6 plus 10, which gives you 4. See, LHS is 4, RHS also is 4. So both are equal. LHS equal to RHS. So distributive property over subtraction is satisfied. I hope you understand this video. If you are having any doubt in this video or any properties in these concept in this lesson, then you may ask me in the comment box, or else you can mail me through the given mail ID. Okay. So thank you. Bye bye, and signing off from Hobbies Creators. Thank you.